Monday, September 1st. Focus. No prophet is acceptable in his hometown. Jesus preached and worked great miracles in many different places. But when he came to Nazareth, where he had been brought up, his own townsfolk refused to accept him. Instead, they wanted to throw him down the cliff. Listening to Jesus' words of wisdom and knowledge, the people were initially in awe of him, but they soon turned skeptical. They could not stomach the fact that a mere carpenter's son claimed to be the fulfillment of Isaiah's key prophecy. Jesus reminded them that it was the same with Elijah and Elisha, who were accepted by people outside Israel, a widow from Zarephath and Naaman the Syrian. Similar situations are not unknown in our parishes. Someone from a humble background may not be easily accepted in an important lay role. Another person, blessed with a spiritual gift like wisdom or discernment, may be treated with suspicion. If we experience such injustice, we should not be deterred. Jesus, despite rejection, continued his ministry of love and truth, and our mission is to continue working in his vineyard. The saints were often misunderstood and ridiculed for their simple lives of holiness, even attracting envy and jealousy. Yet they kept their gaze fixed on Christ and continued to serve him faithfully. Fruit. When faced with opposition to my little way of serving God, I will stand firm and continue building the Church of Christ.